Ella? Ella, what'd you do to my computer? Hey! What did you do to my computer? You broke it! You can't fix it! What'd you do? What did you do? You broke my computer, Isabella. What'd you do? Oh, shit. Close the lid. What'd you do? Don't pull it away. My cell phone's charging on that. What'd you do? Isabella, what did you do to my computer? Huh? Isabella, you're gonna get burned. What did you do to my computer? Oh, you broke it? Don't type.
That's what you get at eHarmony. We give you a choice of people matched with you based on deep inner compatibility.
What? I think I fixed it. Now the world is on there. Oh look, there's the arch. What'd you do? What did you do? Oh shit. What did you do? Isabella, what did you do to my computer? Why are you putting your greasy, touchy, little grubby hands on there? Dope. What did you do? What did you do to my computer to make it do that? Yeah, you pushed a bad button. What did you do to my computer? Oh, don't touch it. Don't touch the screen. Yeah, you get your hands pink if you touch the screen. What'd you do to my computer? I think you broke it. Did you break my computer, Isabella? Huh? Did you break my computer? Give you a minute. Say bye. Say bye.